Heads up, this isn't a tutorial. This is what it feels like to train with us every Sunday in Mississauga. The energy, the crew, the progression. If you want in on this, come ride with us. Can't make it? Find a local group or hit up all the other EUC tutorials on YouTube. But this right here, this is the community. This is the vibe. This is Emman, a newbie here from New Zealand, trying out the electric unicycle for the very first time. I just taught him the basics of how it works, and I know it's a little slippery, don't worry about it. You have to learn to keep it steady just by leaning against one side of your leg. Don't worry about it, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's tough at first. I was like that when I first started too. Remember, you are in control. Wherever you look is where the wheel is gonna go. So if you want to go straight, just look straight. Not bad though.
It's the one wheel.
Yeah. I know, it's very different, right?
If it was two, it was great. I have a lot of respect for people who use.
Oh, not bad. Yeah, you went a good distance. Yeah, the wheel will listen to every bit of body movement and weight shift that you give it.
So get upright as soon as I can.
Yeah. Just focus on moving forward and leaning forward. By now, I believe I have reached the limit of what my personal teachings can bring to a complete newbie. This is precisely why we have Marlowe's training sessions in Mississauga. Click the link in the description down below to sign up. Not bad. Alright. It's Emman trying out the EUC at our training session. Doing figure eights, doing pretty well so far. Good stuff. He got his calves really sore, so he kind of knows what he's expecting. Oh, hey, Karina. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Nice seeing you again. You've been practicing a lot the past couple weeks.
The last week it was so cold, right?
Oh yeah, freezing. Yeah, and you're doing well. Much better than when I last saw you. So yeah, keep up. Just document your progress a little bit. All good.
You can do the muscle. Your left is the one that goes up and down, that's it. Your right always stays on the pedal. Good. Yep.
Who likes snow? Who likes snow? Ooh, you're a good boy. Look at you. Hey, Carlo. How are you? You are a good boy. Look at you. You're so cute. Is this your first time? Oh,
It's the M103.
Oh, okay. So you are a rider. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely time for an upgrade. Yeah, just keep going until you feel comfortable to put both feet. When you have enough momentum, you just stand on it and just start to move your upper body weight. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I mean, you're already getting it.
It leans harder.
Whoop. It's okay. There we go. Don't worry. Take your time, make the big turn, and now go up. Lean more, you doing it? So this is how it feels when you go up an incline. Now we're going down. Okay, no worries. Take your time. Just don't leave. Oh, it's okay, no worries. I know it's a little more intimidating. There we go. Oh, damn. I couldn't catch it.
I think they're going downward.
It's more dangerous. Yeah, no, but like good attempt. Drone chasing. Woo! Basso on his old wheel. His veteran Lynx left him for me.
Really?
Let's go through the ramp. Let's go through all the way to the other way and I'll film you. What, you gonna go backwards? Oh, okay. There we go, Pasito. Yeah. Whoop. Damn, okay. Impressive. There we go.
All right, Karina, you ready? Okay, so let me just explain to you. When you're going up the hill there, you gotta lean a little bit more. All right, good. Then right here, just slightly lean back. Slow down, slowly. Well, you're doing good. Slow down a little bit more. Okay, good. And then do that turn. And perfect. There you go. So, let's go again. And lean a little bit forward. There you go. And then when you get here, just slow down a little bit. Lean back. There you go. Good. And then you go first. Slow down. Good. You're doing good. Good. Slow down and turn. Perfect, Karina. You did it. You did it. So that's really good.
My friends would froth over this.
I'm surprised there are more riders in New Zealand because of the scenery. It's just breathtaking there. Yeah. So, you know what? I don't expect you to ride this. Stand on it, hold the yellow paw, and see how you feel. As far as street riding or like, you know, doing anything like serious, this is the kind of wheel that most people are riding. Like most serious riders are riding now.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier,
Yeah,
a lot more powerful. Imagine riding this going 80 kilometers an hour. Yeah. yeah, for sure. Yeah, go for it. You won't be locked in. Oh, you got it. Yeah. See, it feels a little different, huh? Yeah.
Going in the bus, getting off the bus. So is A2 better?
Well, yeah, A2 was definitely lighter, but this is a lot more wheel and a lot more, it's just better. He's even doing the cones already. Do you think he can do the arrow?
Arrow, maybe.
Yeah. You know what? Why don't you try the arrow? Yeah. But again,
it's so different.
yeah, I know you feel it.
Yeah.
Very plush. Yeah. Just get on there, you know. Yeah, and do the thing. You know, rotate around. Feels nice, right?
Yeah, really nice. Like the difference is night and day.
Yeah, it's just a. There we go. Yeah, keep going.
I just give you like more than 2 minutes.
Good stuff. Look at you go. Yeah, man.
Can I try it up the hill?
Go for it. I'll come with you. Yeah.
It just tears up the hill, no problem.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, this is the fun part. When the wheel just goes.
Oh yeah. You just adjust it accordingly. It's nothing. Yeah. Yeah, seriously, you're like one of the best first timers I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man. Always great to see newbies learn. Oh, damn! Almost all the way! Damn, I was so close! Dude tried 3 different wheels on his first day.
And they all.
And he can ride every single one.
No, he's beyond natural.
No way! First time riding today, already trying the Lynx. Oryx will be next. He thinks the Lynx is amazing. My goodness. Yeah. The Lynx is like the Aero, but much bigger and faster. If I'll try the pylons, it's a lot harder to maneuver. Yeah, it's a lot harder.
Yeah, you just gotta slow down a lot more. Lewis, how does it feel to pass?
It just can't turn. Everybody hates turning online.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah. It's way too small for too thick a tire. Oh yeah, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I have a YouTube channel, so yeah, that's why I'm filming.
Oh,
yeah,
I'm already subscribed.
Oh, hey, Milos.
Sunday morning, let's ride.
Hey.
Yeah.
How you like it? It's
Yeah.
nice, right? So many choices.
Yeah. Sunday morning, let's ride.
Saigon Park.
Yeah. 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 Sunday morning, let's ride. Yo, step up to the wheel, don't be scared now. Feet on the pedals, feel the power, hear the crowd loud. First time standing, yeah, your legs gonna shake. But that's part of the journey, that's the risk that we take. Knees bend, body loose, don't go stiff on me. Eyes forward, not down, that's the trick you see. Weight distribution, feel it left and right. Balance ain't a gift, it's a skill you ignite. Lean forward, you go, lean back, you slow. It's physics and feeling, let the wisdom flow. Gonna wobble, gonna stumble, might kiss the ground. But every fall's a lesson, that's how winners are found. Don't grip too tight, let your body relax. Trust the machine and got your back, that's facts. Mississauga Sundays, we building up the crew from zero to hero. Watch what practice do. Lean into it, feel the ride begin. Let the wheel take you, let the journey in. Carve through the doubts, let your spirit fly. Sunday sessions, we're reaching for the sky. Stand up, balance, don't you be afraid. Every mistake is just part of the trade. From wobbling steps to flying down the street. This is freedom, can you feel the beat? Now you standing, now you rolling, feel that confidence build. Little carve to the left, little turn, yo, that's skill. Shift your hips, let your shoulders lead the way. Ankles loose, knees bent, that's what the master say. Drop the wheel, pick it up, dust it off, go again. Ain't no shame in the game, we all started like Zen. Zero balance, zero clue, just a dream in the wheel. Now look at you gliding, tell me how that feel. Trails of pavement, smooth or rough terrain. Once you catch the rhythm, you'll be dancing in the rain. Feel the wind on your face, feel the world open wide. This ain't just transportation, this is freedom personified. Be controlling your stance, break with just a thought. Accelerations in the lean, that's the lesson we taught. Sunday morning warriors building skills from the ground. From that first shaky moment to the smoothest roll around. Lean into it, feel the ride begin. Let the wheel take you, let the journey in. Carve through the doubts, let your spirit fly. Sunday sessions, we're reaching for the sky. Stand up, balance, don't you be afraid. Every mistake is just part of the trade. From wobbling steps to flying down the street. This is freedom, can you feel the beat? Picture this, you're cruising down a boulevard. Month ago you couldn't stand, now you going hard. From the parking lot, circles to the open city float. That progression, that dedication, that's the way we grow. Carve your first S-curve, felt that smooth transition. Now you're hitting trails with confidence and precision. Every Sunday showing up, rain or shine, we hit. Building up a family, spreading the EUC cheer. Newbies watching veterans remember when they were shaking on that wheel, counting every zen. Pass the knowledge forward, that's the culture that we build. Mississauga rolling deep, yo, that's how we skill. So when you're feeling frustrated, when the learning curve is steep, just remember why you started, let that vision seep into every practice session, into every single try. Cause one day you'll be floating, I ain't talking about no lie. I ain't talking about no lie. Back to 5 tips for the crew in the bag. Look where you shoulders over the wheel. That's the centering technique. Core engaged, legs alive. Don't be timid, don't be meek. Practicing a lot before you hit the street. Master the basics, make the foundation complete. Then expand your horizons, test your limits, see what's raw. From cautious beginner to confident. EUC